Okay, children. So next, last one in this. So in the coordinate geometry, so we are going to discuss about last topic. So because of these formulas, we will get in the examination compulsory questions. So up to we have discussed how to find out the area of triangle. But see here, first question is show that the points 3 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma 8 and 0 comma 4 are collinear points. So what is the meaning of collinear? So here collinear means the given 3 points lie on the same line. So how can we find out how do we know the given points are lie on the same line? What we have to do? See, suppose if it is a line, the points A, B, C, if these 3 points lie on the same line, these are collinear. And how can we know? That's why we have to find out AB distance formula, BC distance and AC distance. After finding the distance, these 3 distances, then we should get AC is equal to AB plus BC. If this condition is satisfied, the given points are collinear. Or, this is very important, or if you find out area of triangle by using this formula, answer if you will get 0, the given points are collinear. Very carefully. 2 types we can say. When the AC is equal to AB plus BC, collinear, or the which points lie on the same line. Then on the area of triangle answer, we will get 0. The given points are collinear points. So we'll see. Now I am using this. Generally, if they will ask collinear points, so that the given points are collinear, you go through the area of triangle formula only. Right, so solution. First one, given points. Right, what is A? 3 comma minus 2, B minus 2 comma 8, C 0 comma 4. Right, so area of triangle of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here of mod x1 3 into 8 minus of minus plus 2, direct I am taking, then plus x2 means our x2 value how much is there? Minus 2. Then y3, here how much? 4 minus y1 again, sorry here y3 no, y2 8, y3 is minus 4. Carefully now, don't get confused while substituting. So here plus 2. Then x3 value 0 into y1 minus 2, y2 minus 8. So of mod 3 into 4 minus 2 into 6, then plus 0 into minus 10. Then of mod 3 4s are 12. So here minus 2 into 6 minus 12 plus 0 into minus 10, 0. So plus 12 minus 12 cancel, half into 0, then is equals to 0. So we are getting area of triangle 0. So therefore, the given points are collinear points. So this is the children how to find out how to find out or how to show the given points are collinear. So let us discuss the second one. What is there in that? Right. So next second one. So what is the second one? See here. Find the value of P if the points are collinear. Before that, the given points we are showing collinear. To show the collinear points, we are finding area of triangle. Answer we will get 0. Then the given points are collinear. Here we are finding P. So not P. Here P given no. Find the value of P if the points are collinear. So here in the question only they are giving the given points are collinear. The given points are collinear means so area of triangle indirectly they are giving 0. So that's why while taking only the area of triangle we have to make it equal to 0. Very carefully children. Right. Given that are given points A is equals to 1 comma 2, B is equals to minus 1 comma B, C is equals to minus 3 comma minus 4. The condition is if the points are collinear means the given points are collinear. So therefore the area of triangle equal to 0. So now we have to use area of triangle formula. What is that? Half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That is equal to 0. Then half. Anyway, this half if you transpose here, it will become 0. Then directly mod x1, that is x1 1 into y2 b minus y3 minus 4 minus into minus plus, then plus x2, so minus 1 y3 minus 4 y1 2 x3 minus 3 y1 2 minus y2 b is equal to 0. This 1 by 2 already if you transpose 0 into something is always 0. Then half 1 into b 1 4s are 4, then minus 1 into minus 6 minus 3 2s are 6 minus into minus 3 into b 3b is equal to 0. That is equals to mod b plus 4, then minus into minus plus 6, then minus 6, then plus 3b is equal to 0. Then plus 6 minus 6 cancel, 3b plus b 4b plus 4 is equal to 0. Now remove means don't write this mod, remove that. So take 4b plus 4 is equal to 0. This 4 you transpose, 4 in 4b is equal to minus 4, b is equal to minus 4 by 4, 4 cancel, b is equal to minus 1. This is then how to find out the given value when the given points are collinear. Sometimes they will ask here k, sometimes they will ask p, sometimes they will ask x, like different kinds of variables they will ask. Then you have to follow this problem and this process very carefully, children. From the collinear points, we will get one 4 marks question. Right, very carefully you follow this. Right, we'll go for the next problem. So here the next problem is, see the third one. Find the slope of the line joining the points. Just a direct formula. Solution: given points A 2, 3, B 4, 5. Slope given. So we have to find out slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. M is equal to y2 value 5 minus 3 by x2 4 minus 2, then is equals to 2 by 2, cancellation, m is equals to 1. So this is third one, to find out the slope of the given 2 points. And the last one, same like this only, but a small condition they given in the question. So very carefully determine the value of x so that 2 is the slope. Slope already given. Slope already given. Right. So in this, find the. So according to these 2 points, if you find out slope, so we will. What will get answer? Then given, we have to find out x value. Small answer, children. So given points A is equal to 2, 5, B is equal to x, 3, and slope given already m is equal to 2. So slope formula, what is slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to 2. y2 3 minus 5, x2 x minus x1 2 is equal to 2. Then that is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to 2. Cross multiplication, minus 2 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. This you transpose. Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2x. Then 2x is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 2 by 2. Then x is equal to 1. So this is, children. So here we have completed this coordinate geometry. So here one Heron's formula is there, but that they will ask rarely. So if you want, then we will discuss then after that. So based on these all the concepts, every problem you have to do. So compulsory you have to practice more and more. So thank you, children.